Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salmawati. Now I will introduction about 13 types of text. Number 1 is recount, social function to retell event for the purpose of informing or entertaining. Generic structure, orientation and reorientation. Significant lexicogrammatical feature, focus on specific participant, use of material process, circumstance of time and place, use of past tense, focus on temporal sequence. And number 2 is proof or recount, social function to retell an event with a humorous twist, generic structure, orientation and twist, significant lexicogrammatical feature, focus on individual participant, use of material process, circumstance of time and place, use of past tense. Number 3 is description, social function to describe a particular person, animal, and place or thing. And generic structure is identification and description. Significant lexicogrammatical feature, focus on a specific participant, use of attributive and identity process, use of classifier in nominal group, use of simple past tense. Number 4 is report, social function to describe the way things are with reference to a range of natural, man-made, and social phenomena in our environment. And generic structure, ada general classification and description. Significant grammatical feature dealing with focus on generic participant, use of relational process, use of simple past tense, and no temporal sequence. Okay, next is narrative, social function to amuse, entertain, and to deal with actual or experience in different way. Generic structure is orientation, major complication, and major resolution. Significant lexicogrammatical feature is focus on specific and usually individual participant, use of material process, use of relational process and mental process, use of temporal conjunction, and use of past tense. Next is analytical exposition, social function to persuade the reader or listener that something is the case, thesis position, argument, and conclusion. Significant grammatical feature, focus on generic human or non-human participant, use of simple present tense, use of relational process, use of internal conjunction to state argument. Next type is explanation, social function to explain the process involved in the formation of or working of natural or sociocultural phenomena. General statement to position the reader, and explanation. Significant grammatical feature, focus on generic or non-human participant, use mainly of material and relational process, use of mainly of temporal and causal and conjunction, use of simple present tense. Okay, next is discussion, social function to present at last to point of view about an issue. Structure issue is argument for point and elaboration and conclusion. Significant grammatical feature, focus on generic human and non-human participant, use of material process, relational process, and mental process. Next type is procedure, social function to show how something is accomplished through a sequence of action or steps. And materials need steps 1, 2, 3, and so on. Significant lexicogrammatical feature, focus on generalist human agent, use of simple present tense, use mainly of temporal conjunction, and use mainly of material process. Okay, next type is hortatory exposition, social function to persuade the reader or listener that something should or shouldn't be the case. Thesis structure is argument and recommendation. Significant grammatical feature focus on generic human and non-human participant. Use of mental process, material process, and relational process, and use of simple present tense. Next is anecdote, social function to share with others an account of an unusual of amusing incident. And structure anecdote is abstract, orientation, crisis, incident, and coda. Significant grammatical feature, use of explanation, use of material process, and use of temporal conjunction. Next is new item, social function to inform readers or listener or viewers about event of the days are considered newsworthy or important. And structure new item is newsworthy event, background event, and sources. Significant grammatical feature is short, telegraphic information about story capture in headline, use of material process, use of projecting verbal process, and focus on circumstance. The last is review, social function to critique an artwork or even for a public audience, such as movie, TV show, books, plays, opera, recordings, concert, and ballet. Generic structure, orientation and explanation. Significant grammatical feature focus on particular participant. Direct expression of opinion, use of elaborating and extending clause, use of metaphorical language. Okay, that's all for me. I'm sorry if I have mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.